Repeat plumbing failures almost always come down to fixing the symptom instead of the cause. Whether that is old pipe material, water pressure that is too high, hidden corrosion, or a small leak that keeps getting patched instead of properly replaced. Here's the part most homeowners never think about. Every time a plumber patches a leak without checking your water pressure, that same spot is likely to fail again within a year or two. Houses built before 1970 or so often still have galvanized steel pipes, and those pipes rust from the inside out, so the outside can look perfectly fine while the inside is nearly clogged shut or paper thin. High water pressure, anything above 80 pounds per square inch, quietly stresses every joint and connection in your home, and most people never even check their pressure until something bursts. Another sneaky cause is what plumbers call electrolysis, which happens when two different types of metal pipe are connected together and slowly eat away at each other over time. If your home keeps having the same pipe or joint fail again and again, that is usually a sign of a bigger hidden problem rather than bad luck. One big mistake people make is only replacing the exact section that failed instead of asking why it failed in the first place, so get a pressure test done anytime you have a repeat leak. Another common issue is mixing copper and galvanized pipe without a proper connector, which speeds up corrosion, so always confirm the right transition fitting was used. A lot of folks also assume newer pipes cannot fail, but poor installation or cheap fittings on newer plastic piping can cause repeat leaks just as easily, so always ask what type of pipe and fitting was used and why. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.